Welcome to ClearTask. If you are deciding between Notability and GoodNotes 6 for your iPad, you are in the right place. Today, we are breaking down the key differences so you can choose the best note-taking app for your workflow. Let us dive in. Let us start with Notability. This app shines when it comes to speed and audio integration. If you are a student attending lectures or a professional in long meetings, Notability is a game changer. Its standout feature is the audio recording that syncs directly with your handwriting. You can tap a written word and jump right to that exact moment in the audio. Performance-wise, recent tests show Notability handles heavy use incredibly well. It often keeps your iPad cooler and saves battery life during all-day note-taking. For pricing, Notability uses an annual subscription model. There is a free basic plan, a plus plan for around $20 a year, and a pro tier for advanced AI tools. Now, let us look at GoodNotes 6. This is the powerhouse for organization. If you manage large collections of PDFs, digital planners, or multiple complex subjects, GoodNotes 6 is built for you. It uses a traditional folder and notebook system that keeps everything clean and highly structured. The handwriting recognition and PDF annotation tools are top tier. While it has a slightly steeper learning curve than Notability, the powerful search function makes finding old notes completely effortless. When it comes to pricing, GoodNotes 6 offers a unique advantage. Alongside a standard subscription, it still offers a one-time purchase option. It costs around $33 for permanent access, which is highly preferred by users who dislike subscription models. So which one should you choose? Go with Notability if you rely on synced audio recordings and want fast battery-friendly performance. Go with GoodNotes 6 if you need deep organization, heavy PDF annotation, and prefer a one-time purchase. If this guide helped you, please like and subscribe to ClearTask for more productivity tools and reviews. Thanks for watching.